This is room 7360 on the Carnival Venezia. It is a terrazzo suite. So, as soon as you walk in, you do have, on this particular ship, the little card thingy that turns the lights on and off. Little master switch there. As we like to say, the old crap map. So if poop hits the fan, shows you where your muster station is, what to do, and how to get there. You do have your little ornate hook. So if you notice, this ship is a little bit more ornate than your normal Carnival ship. Also has a classic people, which you don't see much. And it's got cool little crown molding. It's all done up in gold. Very nice. This is the closet with a, more than 6 foot mirror. The safe. A bunch of shelves. And of course, your life vest. They do show you your muster station. And we got this side here. This is the suite, so it does come with robes and the little slippers. So that's pretty cool. Then you got the other side here. So these little shelves flip up and flip down. So if you needed more long storage, you can. Other than that, it's a bunch of shelves and more storage on the bottom. Then, right across the way, we have your thermostat, which so far has been pretty good. Got some more hooks for more storage here. And then the bathroom, which is actually kind of nice. And again, if you look, everything is very ornate, very gold. I don't know, I like it. So you got double sinks here. You got your LMS soap and your storage stuff down here. And your garbage can is actually stashed under there. Towels, your magnifying mirror, the shaving port if you have an electric shaver. That's the only thing you can plug in there. An ample amount of towels, the commode, and a nice actual size shower. And look, no shower curtain. Love it, well worth it. Again, got the LMS because it is a suite. You got your clothesline. I don't know if you guys use them, but we most certainly do. Or come back to let stuff dry. And going into the foyer, if you will, you got a 115 and a 230. So if you have the Euro adapters, you can get it there. Another little mirror. Hi. Drink of the day. It's a must as soon as we get on. And then over here, if I have Liz. Sorry. So you got a couple shelves here. You got your mini cooler, not a refrigerator. And you got more storage down here. Decent amount as well. Then, of course, the TV. Decent sized TV. It is on a swivel. It doesn't seem to be... I hope it's not too rocky because it might just keep swiveling on us. Then you got this massive couch with a chaise or whatever you call that thing on the end. But it's got some serious sitting room here. And again, you can see the decor is different than your traditional Carnival ship. And then we're going to go to this little station here. So kind of your main desk. You got 2 drawers here. They put their there it is. There's our, even shows it on the outside, so nice and easy. You got your phone and you got a bunch of plugs. So you got 2 USBs here, a 220, 2 120s, and a 230. So a decent amount of plugs here. And they are weird. They seem to be upside down for what I can remember. Over here on the bedside, we do have 2 USBs. Does say high power. We shall see. A lot of times they are not. And of course, a little bit of storage down here in the bed, which we do have the king size because it is me and Liz. And then on the other side of the bed, we do have one more little storage guy here. And a lamp. There is no USBs on this side of the bed. And then, of course, we have the balcony. One of my favorite parts of the rooms. And this is a good size one. So we actually have a full-size lounger and 2 chairs over here that actually fold down to make another lounger if you so wish. So, I mean, decent-sized balcony. There's me. There's Liz. And so, yeah, it's a good-sized balcony. So that's been room 7360, Terrazzo Suite, Ocean Suite on the Carnival Venezia. And thanks for watching.